When you closed your doors in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, they opened theirs so that you could stay safe at home and get whatever you needed, whenever you needed, and wherever you needed. In the toughest of hours, it was the e-commerce industry that geared up to meet your needs, and backing numerous such businesses was BatchMaster, supporting them in going the last mile to deliver happiness to your doorstep. So, every time you had this all too convenient shopping experience, you could swiftly check the status of your order, or when your lips took that beautiful curve seeing your products delivered well on time. We played a small part in making this world smaller and your lives better. Even in the post-COVID world, we are determined to play our part and through them, touch your lives. BatchMaster, simplifying businesses, touching lives. Simplifying businesses, touching lives.